बचपन से लेकर आज तक हमें यह सिखाया जाता है कि हमें कैसे बोलना है, किससे बोलना है, कब कब बोलना है, क्यों बोलना है। हमें यह कोई नहीं बताता कि हमें कैसे सुनना है, क्यों सुनना है और कब कब सुनना है। Why there is so much of emphasis on speaking and not listening? Ladies and gentlemen, कम्युनिकेशन की शुरुआत और बुनियाद सुनना ही है। Listening is the core basic foundation of communication. यदि खड़े होकर बोलने के लिए हिम्मत चाहिए तो चुपचाप बैठकर किसी को ध्यान से सुनने के लिए और भी ज्यादा हिम्मत चाहिए। किसी ने सही कहा है, हर एक की सुनो और हर एक से सीखो, क्योंकि हर कोई सब कुछ नहीं जानता, लेकिन हर एक कुछ ना कुछ जरूर जानता है। यह बात आप मानकर चलिए कि यदि आप कम बोलेंगे तो आपकी बात ज्यादा सुनी जाएगी, आपकी बात को ज्यादा तवज्जो दी जाएगी। One of the most sincere form of respect is actually listening to what another has to say. There is so much to learn when you just listen and just listen. The biggest communication problem is we don't listen to understand, we just listen to reply. When we talk, we are only repeating what we already know. But if we listen, we may learn something new. Sometimes we don't need advice. We just need someone and somebody to listen. Don't think or judge. Just listen and listen. बचपन से लेकर आज तक हमें यह सिखाया जाता है कि हमें कैसे बोलना है, how to influence people, how to create an impact, how to develop your oratory skills, but who will teach you how to listen? इस मकसद में पशु पक्षी और जानवर हमसे ज्यादा सक्षम। We all are capable of listening effectively in different situations and to different people. Listening effectively is, however, an active process, something which we have to do consciously and something that takes practice. Yet, there are obstacles to our ability or willingness to become better listeners. Now, let me share with you some of the common misconceptions related to listening. And they goes like this: it's difficult to learn how to listen. Not at all. As long as you are a human being, you should have the capability of understanding how to speak and equivalently how to listen. I'm a good listener. Everybody says so, but it's not the truth. Intelligent people are good listeners. Somewhere down the line, people, those who are intelligent, they have a good vocabulary power. So it really relates to them how they can grasp and perceive things. But this is definitely not true that they are good listeners. Hearing is same as listening. This is far from the truth because you need a level of concentration in order to listen. Hearing is merely a sound. Listening, it really correlates the meaning of what the speaker is saying. Fifth myth is we listen better as we grow older and get older. Nothing of that sort. No doubt, there is a level of maturity which takes place within an individual, but it has got nothing to do with listening better or something like that. Last but not the least, gender affects listening ability. Now, there is no difference between men and women. Each and every one has got the same level of capacity in order to relate as far as hearing and listening is concerned. But definitely, women are more emotional. They look for the emotional values. Thank you and see you in the next video.